Hey, welcome into the lab. Here's what we got. We got a new project. It's Williams TimeWarp. Found this game in an operator's warehouse, non-op. It's been there in their back room for at least a couple years, sitting, waiting for this day. Let's assemble it, get it fixed, get it going, and do the TimeWarp. So this is the first time looking at the bottom side of the Playfield. It looks pretty clean, and kind of nice surprise is there is LEDs up in all these inserts. And it looks like they repurposed the flipper coils to the slingshots. So I don't know what that's all about. I don't know if that's an upgrade or what, but they have left flipper, right flipper, but everything seems solid. I don't see anything that looks like it's caught fire, locked on. And so I do see a cut here, but it may or may not be anything special. I'll look to it before I connect power to it, and that's where we are. All right, we open up the coin door, look on the inside, and there's 3 slots, 1, 2, and 3. There's shields on all 3 of them, but this one here was all bunged up. All the trip wire here for the quarter was on the wrong side of this white actuator. So it's all good now. That could be one of the reasons why it was parked, because it was probably locked on or something like that. But this is something I looked across when I was looking at the coin door. And now it's squared away and it triggers as it should. And I'm gonna put all 3 of the guards back on. Got some good news here. TimeWarp is booting up and it is playing. I played 2 quick games on it. I'm not sure exactly why it was parked as non-functioning. I know, you know, like this thing needs to be re-glued, this display here. I noticed this insert here, get in there close enough. It needs to be re-glued, it's a little spongy. Drop targets work, slingshots work, flippers work, ball launch works, pop bumpers all work. Really, it's a functioning game, so that's great. Let me open this thing up. I'm gonna put down this, right? Kind of got a sprung hinge here or something. I went ahead and put in brand new Duracells. There were 3 batteries. Let me pull one out here. The negative end was kind of crusty looking, so it showed 1.4 volts, which is not bad for 1.5. These came in at 1.6, brand new, so I'm just gonna leave it for now with those in there. Everything seems to be functioning well. One of these fuses down here, it was mostly out of its holder, so I don't know if that's why they brought it in, it wasn't working, or why, but looks like we're gonna be able to clean this one up, put new urethane clear rings on it. Definitely brighter general illumination. I think the illumination in the inserts is fine. So it shouldn't be too hard, I don't think. Let's dive into the Playfield first. from TimeWarp. These blue ones, blue LEDs, they were in the general illumination on the Playfield and they were super dim. So I popped them out and put in some cool white LEDs. These are the rubber rings that I have replaced with the clear silicone. And then the left flipper bat was dragging on the Playfield, which meant one of the flipper bushings was worn. So I went ahead and swapped out the new flipper bushings, coil sleeves, and while I was at it, I swapped out the banana flippers for just standard length, regular 3-inch flippers. There's the banana flippers down there, waiting for the next person if they want to revisit the banana flips instead of the standard 3s. So I thought it might be fun to add an LED below this saucer here. And I just used a Yopsicle connected to this amber colored triangle here. So it flashes, nothing fancy, just something I thought I'd add.
Now, the present-day electronic brains are complete morons. But this will not be true in another generation.
I think I'm going to pump the brakes here on this project. One thing to mention is the legs are black. Somebody painted them, and I don't think they look bad. I think he ties it pretty nicely with the cabinet art. I'm going to leave them. Either way, it doesn't bother me. Pretty happy with this project. Going to step away and move to my next project.